can see two solar panels, and they combine here in the electricity. They get into this, they go like this, the wiring goes into the motor. The motor turns this like this. This wheel goes turning, and then the wheels go turning and it rides.
Thank you.
Sunlight.
Here, Koen will explain how a solar panel works. Okay, a solar panel works when the sunlight comes on the solar panel and it gives the energy which goes through and it goes to the water to heat it up, or it goes through the electricity wires to put on the lights and whatever you need. So, over to Martin.
Okay.
In this case, we use the solar panels to split oxygen into water into oxygen and hydrogen, and we did that with a membrane. I got this kit a little while ago, and I got this motor that drives this. That turns this, and then it turns this wheel, and then that with this string is linked to here, under here. You may not see it, and that makes the wheels going